Question 6. Chocolate bites come in bags of 5. Josh had 1 bag in the fridge. After eating 2 each day for 2 days, how many were left in the fridge? Question 6 is about chocolate pieces that come in a bag of 5. I can see that's 5 without counting. That will be for my parts, and I will write my whole in black. Chocolate bites come in bags of 5. Josh had 1 bag in the fridge. So the whole amount is a bag of 5 small chocolates. After eating 2 each day for 2 days, so 2 were eaten, that's 1 part, and then 2 were eaten again on the 2nd day. They're the parts that I know. How many were left in the fridge? So those that weren't eaten and were left is the unknown part. These are my eaten chocolates, and this is my uneaten chocolate that's still in the fridge. You can see it over here. The plan that I'm going to use is whole subtract part equals part. I know my whole of 5, and if I subtract the part that was eaten, this will leave me the part that was left in the fridge uneaten. 5 subtract 4 equals 1, so there was 1 chocolate left in the fridge uneaten. I'm going to check the maths using the cube so I can see without counting. This is the chocolate Josh ate on one day. This is the chocolate he ate on the other day. This is the chocolate he ate, and we know that he had 5 altogether. So to make this 5, this piece here is the chocolate that was still in the fridge. I'm going to put it over here. The chocolate Josh ate and the chocolate in the fridge makes the whole of 5. The last thing I need to check is the question. How many were left in the fridge? This is the one that was left in the fridge over here. The part, this is the part that was eaten. So there was 1 chocolate left in the fridge. I could also use this plan. The part that Josh ate, which was 2 one day and 2 the next day of 4, add the part that was left in the fridge that we didn't know, would give us the whole of 5. So 4 add 1 equals 5. There was 1 left in the fridge.